wacky. Here's the thing I'll say. As I'm going over my second, let's just go ahead and do the second pass, which will thicken them up. I hit my nose. It is a little crusty, so this must have some, crusty having dried out, this must have some waterproofness to it, or water resistance to it, because it is, as I go through the second pass, it's already dried, if you will. Does that make sense what I'm saying? So it's, the second pass, it'll be more gloopy. You'll have more little boogies to work with. And again, at this price tag, I would say there should be 0 of that. 0. So I would say what you're mostly paying for is packaging and the name. It's a LA Hollywood kind of a experience to do this, and I don't know that it's worth that. But I did it. I wouldn't write home about the mascara. And I'm going to probably tell them we're going to have to send that back. Yeah, it actually was a lot of trouble. It's nice and wet and very, very pretty. And again, it goes down in its little pouch, like that, to stay in your purse, which is very, very elegant. So what do y'all think? What are your thoughts? Some of you do like high-end stuff. Others of you don't and say, I would never do that in a million years. But think about those who might. What would you think? Is this worth it? My initial feelings is some of it is. And the product that I would think is worth it the most. Definitely, I don't think the mascara is, except for the packaging, is exceptional. Best ever I've ever seen on packaging. Especially for mascara. For the iPods, no, not the best packaging. It doesn't even make sense to have to unscrew every little one. I like to have a palette, just like you're an artist where you can go from color to color to color instead of having to screw off the little tops on everything. So very, very elegantly presented in the box, and the actual pieces themselves are very elegant. But again, and they present to you to keep them in this little pouch, this little tiny pouch. I wonder if all 3 of these would even fit in there. I'm going to see. Because I feel like they wouldn't. I feel like all 3 of these aren't going to fit in here. And their little magnets are a little bit annoying. Their little lids keep grabbing each other. It just occurred to me why. Hold on. Because that's how they fit. Look. They magnetize to hold on to each other, and that is why the pouch is like this. I was thinking you would put them in there and they're not going to fit because they're all fat, but they slide in as a little tube. So everything she has is a little tube. Again, packaging. Very elegant. Very elegant. Just have to ask yourself, is it worth that? And I'm just thinking no. I really am. I'm just thinking no. Again, on the lips, y'all know me, the doo-doo. To put your lipstick on with a blush thing. It's kind of cool that it's all in one product. And I'm going to keep that. I don't really have a cream cheek product that I adore. And I do like this. I like the color, and I like the fact that it's cream. So that when you're sweaty and stuff, it stays on better. And it just has, for when you get older, powders do make you look older. I do really like the... I know they're calling it super loaded tinted highlight, but I feel like this almost acted like a highlight bronzer. I mean, it still makes a cut-in look. It definitely highlighted. I could have skipped the eyeshadow really, except to put a dark color in the crease maybe. This was fine. I didn't even need highlighter or anything. I could have just used this as both a cheek product and an eye product. I can use this both as a blush product and a lip product. The mascara, I wonder if, I'm going to do something really weird. I never have done this. But my mommy used to. With Great Lash mascara. Is that what it was called, Great Lash? It was pink on the bottom and green on the top. You can get at the grocery store. I don't even remember. She used to always do this to her brows. Instead of build them, she just touched them up with mascara. Oh my gosh, that's so black. that no, that was a very bad idea. But I'm going to do what my mommy did. And let's just see if she was right. This would be especially bad if if it rained.